Have you ever had a day where you open your eyes in the morning and already feel tired? A day when even simple tasks feel heavy?
A day when your phone keeps buzzing, your mind keeps running, and all you want is 5 minutes of peace. If that sounds familiar, then today's episode is for you. Introduction.
Welcome back to English Unleashed, everyone. I'm Tom.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're talking about stress, busy days, and the real English phrases you need to describe them.
Because let's be honest, life gets messy. Work, family, school, responsibilities. They all come at once.
And in those moments, you need the right words. Not textbook English, real life English. Dialogue. A stressful week.
Let's start with a short conversation between us. Just listen and try to catch the main ideas.
Dialogue between Tom and Sarah only.
Sarah, you look exhausted. Rough week?
Oh, absolutely. Everything keeps going wrong. I'm trying to finish a project, answer messages, prepare a presentation, but I'm totally overwhelmed.
What happened?
Well, first, my laptop froze during a meeting, then I lost an important file, and now I'm behind on everything. I feel like I'm juggling too many things.
I know that feeling. Do you think you can cope with everything?
Right now, honestly, I'm not sure. My brain feels full. I just need a break.
We all do sometimes. Even a 10-minute pause can help.
Phrase 1. Things keep going wrong.
All right, let's break down the phrases from our conversation. The first one is, things keep going wrong.
This means problems happen again and again, not once, but many times.
Examples. Everything keeps going wrong today. No matter what I do, something goes wrong.
Perfect phrase for stressful days. Phrase 2. I'm overwhelmed.
The next phrase was, I'm overwhelmed.
This means you have too much to do, too much to think about, or too many emotions at the same time. Examples. I'm overwhelmed with work. I feel overwhelmed by all the tasks today. Phrase 3. I'm juggling too many things.
Then I said, I'm juggling too many things.
This means you're doing too many tasks. Imagine trying to hold 5 or 6 balls in the air at once. That's what juggling is. So this expression means you're doing too many tasks. Examples. I'm juggling work, study, and family this week. We're all juggling a lot these days. Phrase 4. I can't cope.
And the last phrase was, I can't cope.
To cope means to manage or handle problems. So if someone says, I can't cope, it means everything feels too heavy. Examples. I can't cope with this pressure. Or, she can't cope with her deadlines.
Short story. Real example. Let me share something small. Last month, I had one of the busiest weeks ever. I had classes, meetings, and a big event to plan. At one point, I was so overwhelmed, I forgot my own lunch in the fridge for 3 days.
Same here. A few months ago, I was juggling work and family things. One morning, I spent 5 minutes looking for my phone, and it was in my hand the whole time.
That's what stress does. It makes your brain stop working.
And that's okay. We're human. Pause break. Deep breath.
Before we move on, take one calm breath. In. Out.
Good. Let's continue.
Good. Now, let me ask you something.
Why do you think remembering vocabulary is so hard for most learners?
Maybe because they don't review the words?
Exactly. Vocabulary is like a plant. If you don't water it, it dies. If you learn a new word one time, your brain forgets it quickly. But if you review it many times, slowly, the word becomes strong.
So I need repetition?
Yes, repetition is everything, but not boring repetition. Fun repetition. Meaningful repetition.
And how do I do that?
Let me show you. Let's choose one simple word. Improve. Listen to this. I want to improve my English. I need to improve my listening. I try to improve a little every day. Small steps can improve your skills.
Wow, hearing the same word many times helps a lot.
Exactly. This is called context repetition. You repeat the word, but in different sentences, different situations, different emotions.
I like that. It feels natural.
Yes, because your brain loves stories, not lists. When you connect a word to a story, a place, a sound, a feeling, you remember it longer.
So, what should I do every day to learn vocabulary better?
3 things. Very simple. Listen carefully. First, choose 5 new words per day. Not 20, not 50, only 5. Because 5 words learned well are better than 50 words forgotten tomorrow.
That makes sense.
Second, hear the words in real situations. Podcasts, videos, conversations, not just lists.
Real examples help a lot, yes.
Third, use the words. Say them, write them, think with them. Even if your sentence is not perfect, use the word.
So, small number, real examples, and use the word.
Exactly. This is how real vocabulary learning works. Let me tell you a secret. Your brain does not learn from seeing a word. It learns from touching a word many times.
Touching a word?
Yes. Touching means hearing the word, reading the word, saying the word, using the word, feeling the word in a sentence. The more you touch it, the stronger it becomes.
Like muscle training?
Exactly the same. Vocabulary is a mental gym. Every time you hear a word, you give your brain a push-up. Now let's practice. I'll say a word. You create a sentence with it.
Okay.
The word is focus.
I need to focus on my English.
Good. Another example. Focus on small goals. Focus on listening first. Focus on one thing at a time.
Nice. It becomes clearer.
Yes. And repeating it like this for 2 to 3 minutes makes the word stay in your memory all day.
I feel like this method is less stressful.
Learning should never be stressful. English is not an exam. It's a tool. It's a friend. You learn better when you feel relaxed.
True.
So, remember, small steps every day, and the results come naturally.
Now, let's go deeper. Do you know what really helps vocabulary stay in your long-term memory?
Tell me.
Something called emotional connection. If a word makes you laugh, or surprises you, or reminds you of something important, your brain keeps it longer.
Really? Even emotions help?
Yes, your brain is not a machine, it's a story maker. So if a word feels meaningful, it becomes part of you.
So, how do I create this emotional connection?
Easy. When you learn a new word, ask yourself this question. Where can I use this word in my life?
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Take the word challenge. If you think of it as just a word, you'll forget it. But if you say, my biggest challenge is speaking English confidently, suddenly the word becomes personal.
Oh, I get it now. The word becomes connected to my real life.
Exactly. And that makes it unforgettable. Story technique. To fill more minutes. I'll tell you a short micro story with new words. You just listen. Relax. No pressure. Ready?
Ready.
I wanted to improve my English, but I had one problem. I couldn't stay consistent. Every day I said, tomorrow I will study, but tomorrow never came. One day I decided to change. I made a small plan, just 10 minutes a day, no stress, no excuses. Little by little, I improved, because small steps can create big results.
Wow, that was simple but powerful.
And what words did you hear many times?
Improve. Consistent. Small steps.
Exactly. That's how vocabulary grows naturally. Mini speaking practice. I want you to repeat after me slowly. I learn new words every day.
I learn new words every day.
I improve step by step.
I improve step by step.
I focus on small goals.
I focus on small goals.
Perfect. If listeners repeat these sentences with you, they will remember the vocabulary much better. Deep explanation. Long segment. Let me explain something very important, and this is a secret most learners don't know. There are two types of vocabulary. Passive vocabulary. Words you understand when you hear them, but you can't use them. Active vocabulary. Words you can use in speaking and writing.
And we need the second one, right?
Exactly. Most learners have a big passive vocabulary, but a very small active one. And the reason is simple. They don't use the words enough.
So, how do I activate a word?
You must do this. Hear the word. Say the word. Use the word in a sentence. Use it again tomorrow. Use it again next week. After 5 to 7 touches, the word becomes active.
That makes everything clear now.
Another practice, to stretch the time. Let's take one new word, progress. Listen to these sentences. I'm making progress. Your progress is slow but real. Progress comes from daily practice. Even 1% progress every day is powerful.
I feel like repetition is magic.
It is, but smart repetition, not boring school-style repetition. Motivation segment, calm tone. Remember something important. Vocabulary is not a race. It's a journey, a long journey. If you enjoy it, you win. If you stress about it, you stop.
True.
When I enjoy learning, I remember more.
Exactly. That's why learning vocabulary with stories, conversations, and podcasts is the best. It makes the language alive. Brain final technique to finish the 20 minutes. Before we end this episode, I want to teach you one powerful technique. The 24-hour rule.
What is that?
Simple. Any new word you learn today, you must review it within 24 hours. If you don't, your brain deletes it.
Deletes it?
Yes, your brain is smart. If you don't show the word is important, it removes it to save space.
So I need to tell my brain, keep this word.
Exactly. Review it before 24 hours pass, and the word becomes stronger. Calm closing lines. End of 20 minutes. So, today we learned: learn 5 words a day. Repeat them in context. Use stories. Create emotional connection. Review within 24 hours. Use the words to activate them.
Amazing! I feel like I finally understand how vocabulary learning really works.
Good. And remember, improvement is not fast, but it's guaranteed if you don't stop.
Thank you for today's lesson.
And thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Step by step, word by word. Keep going.